Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Technics AZ80 and I'm going to show you how can I easily find your headphones using your application. But first we have to open our application and wait a moment. Now we have to click on find headphones and here we can emit sound or find using location information. We have to click switch on and permit access location. Now we have to go to the settings and click while using the app. Now we have to go to the settings again and click allow all the time. Now we can go back and click check position. As you can see, this is our left headphone location and right headphone location. We can show this on a map too. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.